Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Flash Furniture Elon 2.6-foot round granite white plastic bar height folding table, a versatile addition to any space. This petite yet sturdy table is perfect for both residential and non-residential use, offering a sleek 32-inch round surface that comfortably seats up to 3 adults. Designed with a 1.75-inch thick granite white tabletop, it is both waterproof and resistant to impact and stains, making it ideal for outdoor entertaining or indoor projects. The table's non-locking gray powder-coated cross legs provide stability and are equipped with protective floor caps, ensuring your floors remain scratch-free. With a static load capacity of 165 pounds, this table is perfect for parties, trade shows, offices, craft rooms, and classrooms. Its folding legs make it incredibly easy to transport and store, requiring no assembly, so you can set it up and take it down in a breeze. Whether you're catering an event, exhibiting your latest project, or simply need extra space for entertaining, this folding table is your go-to solution. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.